Hello everyone, welcome back to Math Lessons with L. Today's video, we're going to be going over the perimeter and the area of a circle. Let's begin. Now first we're going to do perimeter. You'll also hear it referred to as the circumference. You can use both terms when identifying the space outside of the circle. Perimeter and circumference. It's the space outside of the circle. This is how we find it. Our equation is P for perimeter equals 2 pi, which is a figure in math relating to circles when trying to find area or the perimeter. This is also equal to approximately 3.14. But when finding the perimeter and area, we can just leave it as pi. So we have 2 pi r, r being the radius, which is the line segment started directly in the center of the circle to the outside of the circle or the perimeter. Now, let's say for this equation, the radius is 3. So our perimeter would be 6 pi. Now let's say we didn't have the radius and we had this extended line segment referred to as D, or the diameter. So we have radius, and now we have diameter, D. It's the line segment that starts at one end of the circle directly across the center to the other end of the circle. So this is the line segment it should form. Always a line directly across the center of the circle, which also splits the circle in half. So this is R, then this is also another radius R. So we can say that the diameter is equal to R plus R, or 2R. So for this equation, for this problem, diameter would be 6. So we could also write pi d. Same answer. That's for the perimeter or the circumference of a circle. Now, the area of a circle. Area of a circle is a little different. Slightly different. So please don't be confused. Now, when we talk about the area of a circle, we're referring to not the outside, but the inside of the circle. So think of area rug for the living room on the inside. So the equation is area equals pi r squared, or r to the second power. Now, using these same figures, we can find that the area of this circle is 9 pi. For those of you who may be struggling with this portion of the equation with the exponent, this would be 3 to the second power, which is also the same thing as 3 times 3, which is 9. Okay? So this is the area of this circle. Now let's say we didn't have the radius. We only had the diameter. Well, we know that the diameter is twice the radius. So if we take the inverse of that, the radius is half the diameter. So this equation can also read pi diameter over 2 squared. So we can go simply substitute. Diameter was 6 divided by 2. Make our levels. Do what's in the parentheses first. Order operations. 6 divided by 2, which is 3, to the second power. We still have our area to be 9 pi. So again, the area is the measurement of the space inside of the circle. This is the equation. Area equals pi r squared. Now, just to sum everything all up, have our basic circle. Line drawn from the center to the perimeter of the circle is our radius. Line drawn anywhere from one end perimeter of the circle, crossing the center, ending up at the other end of the circle, forming a line segment like this. This would be the diameter. Now we find the circumference, or the perimeter, of a circle, 2 pi r, or the same thing as the diameter times pi. Now, the inside space of the circle is measured by A, the area. And you get the area of the circle using pi r squared.